Hi, this is Scarlett Sanchez here, and I am going to be conducting a book talk on this awesome graphic novel called Kickoff Blitz. What do you do when you're faced with a bully? In this story, Tao Yang is somebody who has to make some decisions. He's a small little guy on his football team, but just because he's small doesn't mean he plays small. He plays big. And he is definitely a big competitor. He's fast and he is able to tackle and just get the job done. He is definitely one of the stars on his football team. Well, one day his football team is going to play another team that he is just not fond of a certain player. His name is Darren. And Darren is just not the good guy. He does everything that he can to throw off Tao Yang and his game. And he plays dirty, and this upsets Tao very much so. It's a graphic novel that is definitely very unique for boys in the upper elementary grade level. Definitely for a struggling reader, this book is going to be very helpful. It's going to captivate these boys because there's not too many books out there that are a graphic novel and football meshed together. And in this story, you're definitely going to read about teamwork and challenges that you have to overcome and what it's like to face a bully. Does Tao Yang, is he able to be the bigger person, or is he going to get revenge on Darren? Read the book to find out why.